Hello, we want to introduce our business plan on short-term energy demand forecasting. Online electricity demand prediction is required for the control and scheduling of power systems. The forecasts are required for lead times from a minute ahead to a day ahead. Grid, which is responsible for the transmission of electricity. Online prediction is based on half-hourly data. We can provide quick and accurate prediction of hourly loads for the next 7 days at the level of accuracy required by today's complex and competitive power markets. What is the market problem? Energy is such a thing which you cannot store for future demand and as well as cannot stock the excess energy from the present demand. So, a proper forecast of demand is required. Otherwise, if it excess, then it is wastage of revenue, and if it need more, then you have to purchase energy from other vendor with huge rate. Because you cannot allow power cuts if supply is less. Irrigation is an example of high priority customer. They run water pumps to provide water needed for cultivation. Then again it is revenue loss. Besides this, electricity consumption varies every day with times, season, working days, holidays and other factors which are not trivial. So, accurate prediction of demand helps in cost optimization and good planning. That is why the reason for low revenues is the lack of accurate demand forecast and demand planning. Our business proposition: we should create a cloud-based demand forecasting service for energy demand forecasting, where monthly rental services for our clients. Forecasts will monitored by experts, so they do not need any statistical expert. No software and hardware charges. They do not need to purchase any additional software or hardware. Only an internet connected system is sufficient. Client need to upload past demand data only. Hourly energy forecast for the next 5 to 7 days. As a company, we want to fund the cost of application development and marketing and benefit from the upside when we have clients using it on a regular basis. We have visited 4 state electricity distribution company and convinced them about the solution we have for their burning problem. We saw a great amount of interest and eagerness to upgrade from old method of averaging. It is a solution that will be used every day. For some cases, demand and supply data available online at the electricity company's website at times shows gap of 40%. They say save 2% of revenue. The market size and potential. APAC and ME is a high potential growth area. 2.6 lakhs crore loss in 2012 by Indian discoms. There are 89 discoms in India. Optimizing aggregated technical losses is the top priority. Africa and South America faces the same problem. In overall, there is a massive appetite for energy demand forecasting now. Competition mapping. Some variant of ARIMA or Box Jenkins based solution might come along with the big IT companies, and technology from US, Japan or Israel may be tried as they have some credential. Why will it work? Short-term load forecasting can be categorized mainly into 2 groups: statistical approaches and intelligent approaches. The overwhelming current trend is to use an intelligent approaches, in particular artificial networks for short-term local forecasting. The statistical approach do not work well because there is a need for pre-filtering and processing of the data streams to ensure that resulting processed data streams are stationary. This is hard to attain MW loads that are weather sensitive and vary for over different days of the week. Even if this property is attained for some of the data, when one moves from one season to another, the process of data conditioning has to be repeated. It is always difficult to deal with holidays and special days. Statistical models do not learn from long data histories as neural networks do. Besides this, we offer know-how. We know Indian and similar weather data. We can clean and classify it much better than the foreign competitors because cooking data is very much important. We promote and market. We take the hit on promotions, marketing, and peer a difficult science that sometimes has negative ROI. In India, we are very connected, already got in touch with some clients, and we are the only ones who mostly reached them. I have tried to give a rough projections of India revenue. That is, we tried to project in 3 years: first year, second year, and third year. Where number of clients, new clients in first year is 5, and it is in the second year is number of clients is 10, and in third year it is 20. And the number of churn class in first year is 0, and in third year it may be 2. So number of effective client in the first year is 5, and it is in second year is 5 plus 10, that's 15, and in the third year is 20 plus 10 plus 5 minus 2, that is 33. And average monthly revenue from a client is 4.5 lakhs per month, and in the yearly it is in the first year 270 lakhs, and in the second year 810 lakhs, and in the third year 1782 lakhs. And our challenges is that weather data is very much important. So poor quality weather data might result in bad performance, and Discoms asking for guaranteed performance. So this is the challenge. And other revenues from the business, that is, we can use the same technology, same product in different area of businesses, so like energy price forecasting, mid and long term energy demand forecasting, predictive analysis, vertical forecasting in other areas also, and scientific computing and data analysis algorithm, neural network, fuzzy clustering, segmentation, etc. So these are the other scope of area to work with this same technology. And the other avenues, other outcomes of the businesses, that it can merge with some SAP and Oracle like companies to extend their ERP suite, as well as it can be merged from a BI product vendor to strengthen their portfolio, and it can acquisition for forecasting and algorithm companies who can purchase, who can take license of our algorithm and predictive analysis. And that's all. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you very much.